Once in a quiet town, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was clever, but he had one big problem. He wasted time. Every day, he would sit under a tree, watching others work, dreaming about becoming successful someday. But he never took action. His mother often told him, "Dreams need time, but they also need effort." Arjun would just smile and say, "I still have plenty of time." One day, an old traveler came to the town. He noticed Arjun sitting idle and asked, "Why do you sit here every day?" Arjun replied, "I'm waiting for the right time to start something great." The old man smiled and handed him a small broken clock. "This clock is special," he said. "Keep it safe." Arjun looked confused. "But it doesn't even work." The traveler replied, "That is why it is important." And then he walked away. That night, Arjun showed the broken clock to his mother. She said, "Maybe you should try to fix it." The next day, Arjun went around the town asking people to repair it. Some said, "It's useless." Some said, "Throw it away." Others laughed. "Why fix something that has no value?" Arjun felt disappointed. He was about to give up when he found a quiet old watchmaker at the end of the street. The old watchmaker carefully examined the clock. After a long silence, he said, "This clock is not broken. It simply has no time left inside it." Arjun was puzzled. "What does that mean?" The watchmaker looked at him and said gently, "Every clock shows time, but it cannot create it. Once time is gone, no clock can bring it back." He continued, "You are like this clock. You are waiting, but time is not waiting for you." Arjun stood silent. The words hit him deeply. For the first time, Arjun understood. He realized he had been wasting the most valuable thing he had, his time. He ran back home, placed the broken clock on his table, and said, "This will remind me every day." From that moment, everything changed. He began learning new skills. He started helping his mother. He used every hour carefully. Days passed, then months, and slowly his dreams began turning into reality. Time does not stop for anyone. You cannot repair lost time like a broken clock, but you can decide how to use the time you still have. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Make this moment perfect by using it wisely.